Dreaming of a life less ordinary? Imagine waking up to sun-drenched vineyards, the scent of fresh espresso, and the whispers of ancient history. Welcome to Italy. Beyond its breathtaking beauty, Italy offers a lifestyle unmatched. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic Amalfi Coast, and the vibrant culture of cities like Rome and Florence, every region tells a unique story. But it's more than just a dream. Property in Italy offers incredible value, often significantly more affordable than in the UK, USA, and Canada, with a vastly lower cost of living to match. Embrace a healthier, more relaxed pace of life. Indulge in world-renowned cuisine, explore centuries of art and tradition, and connect with warm, welcoming communities. Italy isn't just a country, it's a whole new way of enjoying life. Are you ready to make Italy your home? Join us as we explore how to turn that dream into your reality. Let's take a look at the first property. This is an absolute steal. How is it that this house is so cheap? Let's go take a look. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more stunning houses for sale in Italy.
Let's start from your top floor balcony. You command a breathtaking panorama of authentic Italy. Gaze over historic terracotta roofs to a verdant valley and majestic hills. This isn't just a view, it's your personal sanctuary. Let's start on the ground floor. Welcome inside to the heart of the home. This open dining area features classic terrazzo flooring and is filled with traditional character. It flows into the charming kitchen, complete with this wonderful corner fireplace. Imagine the cozy evenings you'll spend here after exploring the village. As you ascend the stairs, you'll find two inviting bedrooms, each offering a tranquil retreat. Let's start with the first bedroom, drenched in natural light from its Juliet balcony, perfect for a breath of fresh air. This room features beautiful wooden furniture, including a classic bed frame and a spacious dresser with a large mirror, adding to its rustic charm. Next, we move to the second bedroom, another cozy space with its own unique character. You'll notice another elegant dresser, complemented by a stylish armchair, creating a comfortable nook. A tall, slender window allows light to softly filter in, while a subtle door hints at a connection to a storage space and a small balcony, ideal for enjoying your morning coffee. Both bedrooms are serviced by a well-appointed bathroom, conveniently located between them. This floor truly embodies comfortable Italian living. Now we go to the top floor, where a refreshing vista awaits. Here, you'll find a delightful space bathed in natural light, with charming mint green walls that evoke a sense of calm and tranquility. Imagine this as your private haven, perhaps a serene single bedroom or a bright studio space. The unique railing detail adds character, hinting at a thoughtful design that maximizes the charm of this Italian home. It's a testament to simple, elegant living, providing a perfect spot for quiet contemplation or creative pursuits. As we move through the property, discover the inviting warmth of the main bedroom. This spacious sanctuary features classic wooden furnishings, including a beautiful double bed and ample storage, all hinting at a rich heritage and enduring quality. Soft, ambient light filters through the window, which could easily lead to a charming balcony, perfect for enjoying your morning espresso. This room is a canvas for your Italian dreams, offering comfort and authenticity in equal measure. This is more than just a property. It's an opportunity to embrace the celebrated Italian lifestyle. Picture yourself living moments filled with delicious food, vibrant culture, and breathtaking scenery, all from the comfort of your own charming home. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. To learn more about this exceptional Italian property, get in touch. We'll put you in contact with the agent. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What was your favorite part of this charming Italian home? Share your comments below. If you've enjoyed this presentation, we encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel for future updates, and share it with anyone who dreams of an Italian escape. Stay tuned as we continue to showcase more beautiful and unique houses coming to market soon.